we divide 173 by 5 in a long division method. So 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 3 and it is 23. 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 3. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 0. So 173 divided by 5 is 34.6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.